Hello out there! I'm making this video to tell you that I will be starting a mini-series soon for beginners in game development on how to make an endless running game. This mini project is actually perfect for people with no to little prior experience. We will cover how we implement health to the game, a score that increases the longer we advance, how we spawn obstacles and how we move our player. Doing this, we will also add small effects when we move and the background moving in the background to give us like an illusion of that we keep moving forward. This mini-series will also have a dedicated episode for how we use Photoshop for this mini-game instead of making all the graphics in the game, the animation and the background creation. So if this sounds interesting, subscribe to this channel and you'll be notified when the first episode airs. Until then, I hope I see you in the next episode and stay safe out there. Bye!